Hey guys, so I have another wig for you today to install and style. This is from Rpgshow. I'll put the specs down below. I had this wig for a while. I haven't actually styled it, so I thought I'd do it on camera and just do a quick install for you. I absolutely love Rpgshow wigs. They're lace, as you can see. It's so thin, so undetectable. It makes like applying the wigs so easy, so effortless. So we are gonna get straight into it. I'm probably gonna do a side part. I haven't worn a side part in a while, so I am actually just going to take my hot comb and just flatten the hairline. It pretty much comes, as you can see, it pretty much comes like customized as well. You really don't have to do too much customization. So I'm honestly just gonna install it as is. So I'm just gonna flatten the hairline. The knots of the wigs are also bleached too, so you pretty much have, like I said, it's so effortless. It takes you little time to get everything down. So I usually cut the sides first and then just like lay it down. So I want to see where I want to place the ears and then just like cut around the ears. I still got the Ebony Wonder lace bond. I've seen a lot of people use this. I just wanted to try it out for myself and see how this works. Spray it directly on top of the hairline. We're gonna try it out. I don't have my like rat tail comb down here, so I'm just gonna use this foundation brush to like push it down. Ooh, I can feel it sticking down already. Gonna push the spray into the hairline. I usually would just cut the lace first and then like apply the spray, but let's see if this technique works. And then place it on the hairline. I'm gonna style it. I think I'm gonna go for a side part. Did I mention this is a 13 by 6, so you have a lot of parting space. I feel like 13 by 4s are just not it anymore these days. Especially for a side part, I feel like you need a 13 by 6. I'm just gonna part this to the side. Okay, so this is my finished look. I hope you like it. I absolutely love this. Like, I added some like dark brown eyeshadow just for the roots to kind of like darken the roots a little bit. I think it just gives a nice, like, it just makes it look a lot better. I will definitely put the info in the description box. So this is the length of the hair. It is 20 inches. So pretty, so pretty. Like, I absolutely love it. So that's all actually. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.